Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I'm going to be unboxing a couple of Valentino Beauty Pure products. I already opened up a box because I received this one just yesterday and I received this one last week. So let's just get into it. For this box, I just picked up 2 glitters and the diamond glue gel. Then I ordered the shade Acrylic in Blushing and I got a crystal clear acrylic. Alrighty, so for this one, I ordered their ombre kit. I also picked up a few of their gel polishes. And they all come packaged like this with some styrofoam in the middle. So as you can see, I like a lot of the same color. These are different types of greens, so I'll show you that in a bit. I did pick up the basics, which is just black and white. So black being number 408 and then white being number 405. So I also picked up a very pale pink, and this one is called Passion and it's number 007. So although these greens look all the same, they're not. The first one I have here is 091, which is called Wave. Then I have 056, which is called Itz Drippen. And then I have 036, which actually doesn't really have a name. So I'm going to do some gel swatches first, and then we'll move on to the acrylic. So I already have my swatch sticks ready. And sorry if the lighting changed. It's very sunny and cloudy today, so please, bear with me. So the first one I'm going to swatch is 036, and the shade looks like this. So then we have 056, Itz Drippen. Next we have 091, which is Wave. Next we have 007, Passion. So I wasn't sure if I was going to swatch the black and white, but I guess I'll do them on one swatch stick side by side. This is 408, Black. And then going in with 045, White. Realizing now that I probably should have swatched white first. It's okay. So here are all the gel swatches and they look gorgeous. These two look slightly similar, maybe on camera, but up close, this is like a sky blue-ish, kind of like a really light blue, pale blue, but with a hint of green, almost like a, no, not seafoam, because this one looks like seafoam completely. And I'll do it up close right now for you guys. So as you can see, Wave just looks a little bit more blue, and Itz Drippen, which is the bottom one, looks a little bit more green. I didn't do 2 coats of these because it's just for the purpose of seeing the color. 077 Passion is gorgeous. It is the pink that I've been looking for, a really nice marshmallow-like pink, but yeah, it's so cute, almost pastel-like. And I've been searching for a pink like this since forever. I'm trying to find it in the acrylic form or dip powder form, but I have not found it yet. Everything shears out. This one is super opaque and I love it. And then we have this green, 036. This is just a gorgeous mix of green and blue, but deep. And it's so nice. I love colors like this. And then we have the black and white, which I thought I was gonna regret putting the black first, but I did not. I put the black first and the white went on perfectly fine. I know I got some at the bottom, but the purpose of just viewing the colors, I only needed one swipe and it was great. I love how these actually self-level and they don't leave any streaks or anything. I think maybe one more coat for all of them maybe would have been perfect, except for maybe this one and these, but like the lighter ones you might need another coat, but besides that I think these are great. I can't wait. And I know I chose like a lot of greenish type of colors, but I like those. I like blue-green. That's my favorite color. And there's no tackiness to them. I would still put like a top coat on them though. They look beautiful. Now on to the acrylic powder. I did not pick up their monomer. I only picked up acrylic, and I'm gonna honestly just use the Kiara Sky monomer just because that's the one that I have the most of. I picked up their clear. Super easy to open. It's not full all the way, but it is really big. I got the 3.5 ounces. And I'm not going to swatch the clear because clear is clear, guys. So I did pick up blushing, and I'm hoping that this one is like 007. And this one did come with a lid. It got stuck in the cap. And this is how blushing looks. And this one's pretty full. This one is a 1.5 ounce. So I'm going to do a little swatch of that using my KUPA number 8 brush. This is how blushing looks. I think I chose wisely because this looks exactly like 007. Yes! I've been dying to get a color like this. I love a white pink or a pink white or vice versa. This is such a gorgeous color. Can you see that? It's so pretty. It doesn't have any shimmer or any pearl, but my first impressions on the Valentino powder is that it's one, soft. Like you can literally dig your brush in so hard. So be careful with that, because I thought it was going to be more tough to get into the powder, but it was like butter. Like you just slid right in, you know? Also, the setting time was fairly quick. I didn't feel like I had much time to work. I don't know if that's just the monomer mixed with the acrylic or the acrylic itself, but I don't mind that. Moving on. So next I have Cotton Candy. And this is how Cotton Candy looks. So I was debating between this or blushing because like I said, I wanted that white pink and I couldn't tell based on the photos. So blushing, you can see on camera that it is slightly lighter, and this one you can see has more pink in it. Let me just do a little close-up for you guys. So I went on the Valentino Beauty Pure page on Instagram and I looked at swatches for multiple people, multiple skin tones, and I picked blushing because, well, that was the one that seemed like the one that I wanted. So let's see how Cotton Candy swatches. Alrighty, so I did get cut off as soon as I actually finished swatching it, so it's okay. So this is how Cotton Candy looks. I think I did another win. Like, wow, they look extremely similar. On some people, it looked pink, like Cotton Candy, like, you know, the sheer pink. And here, it just looks totally similar. So I guess the only difference that I notice in person is that blushing just has a hint more of white, and Cotton Candy definitely has that hint of pink a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit more just to see if you can tell a bigger difference. But this one is Cotton Candy and this one is blushing. Honestly, do they look different? Because they don't look different to me at all. In person, they're starting to look more and more similar, which is why I was so confused as to which one to get. Can you tell a difference? I can't. I really can't. So here, right now, I can tell a little difference, but now blushing looks more pink than Cotton Candy. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. I like both the colors. If I were to choose one now, I definitely would go for Cotton Candy. In person, Cotton Candy does look a little bit lighter. Blushing does look a little warmer. I don't know, man. That's so weird. Well, I guess it is what it is. They both kind of look the same, to be honest, though, so I could get away with both of them. I'll see which one I like when I actually put it on my hand. So that's kind of a little disappointing because I thought they were going to be at least a little different, but whatever. So the ombre kit comes with Cotton Candy and Super White. It also comes with a top coat, and the top coat looks like this. So I should probably swatch this one, but I already have so many white swatches. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's white, but I'm gonna swatch it anyways because I said I would swatch these, so let's get down to it. This is 1.5 ounces, and let's get to swatching. So this is Super White. It is pretty white. It's giving me more of a pearly white, not a super white on camera, but in person it looks good. Still pretty white. I'm definitely gonna use it. So last but not least, I picked up some Mylar. Yeah, I picked up some glitter. I have the Margarita's Nail Glitter in number 3 and Margarita's Nail Glitter in number 4. So they look the same, but they're not. One has a blue shift to it, and the other has a more pink shift to it. So the blue shift is Margarita's Nail Glitter number 3. The pink shift is Margarita's Nail Glitter number 4. They're both iridescent and really pretty. And then I have the diamond gel, which is for gluing your rhinestones. I already used it, so it is opened. It worked fine. I'll post a picture of my friend's nails. I used glitter number 4, which has a pink shift, and I used the diamond gel glue. Mind you, it was my first time ever using these products on her or in general, and I think they came out really nice. So that concludes my little haul for Valentino. I hope you guys enjoyed. I so far really loved everything that I purchased. Everything. Like, although the two acrylics look very similar, I love the color regardless. So I'm definitely going to be using these. The white is a staple. Come on. You always need it. Clear, always need it. These glitters, who doesn't like glitters? Come on. These are perfect and I already love them. This diamond gel, I'm gonna keep practicing and let you know how it goes. I mean, I'm still a newbie, so you know. These gels, although like I said, these look similar, I am obsessed with how they look and how good they swatch, and I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to try their top coat. I know I didn't try it here, although maybe I should, right? So I'm actually gonna try their top coat on top of their super white. So let's just do this real quick before I head on out. So this is how super white looks with a top coat. It looks really glossy and nice. And I think it just perfected this white, to be honest. So now that concludes my Valentino haul. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, bye!